It's Thursday the 22nd of December and I have landed in Kent. Came down last night, and before I let you hear the little welcoming committee that I received, would you like to hear what two silly post-middle-aged women sound like after the Sat Nav said something vaguely amusing? It should be Shooters Hill.
Now leave the roundabout. Turn half left onto Shooters Hill Road. Now turn half left.
That was my mother and me trying to contain ourselves after, well, she said it twice, so I'm guessing she knows what she's talking about, but we knew it as Shooters Hill. Anyway, let's move on. Now let's listen to the welcoming committee.
Hello.
That's the little lad there, who is currently sat right next to my ear on the back of the chair, bashing me with his tail. Yeah, I don't think he's happy. You know what it's like. You never like the sound of your own voice. On to business. The Christmas candle was Christmas magic. I don't know why they're all Christmas magic, but they are. It's another red one. And that's what it says on the back of the box. But there you go. You need lots of Christmas magic this time of year. And the fudge was peanut butter, which I shared with Mother. What did you think?
I thought it was all right, but not particularly peanut butter flavoured.
Which is a bonus as far as I'm concerned, because I don't like peanut butter.
Oh, sorry, Win.
I know I'm in the minority there, but I really do not like peanut butter. You like peanut butter, don't you, Jeremy? He basically likes anything that's ours. Much love and gratitude.